What's up guys, my name is Minecraft Man, and today I'm going to teach you how to crack internet download manager. As you can see here, my internet download manager has been expired, so I'm going to tell you how to crack and hack this without downloading anything. So first thing you want to do is get the code on the link on the description. This code will be on the link on the description. Copy and paste it. So what you're gonna do is, on the first name, type nothing. Type anything you want to type. On email too, type anything you want to type. So on the serial number, what you're gonna do is paste the serial number on the serial number tab. So once done, what you're gonna do is right click on the taskbar, click start manager. Once done, what you're gonna do is, here as you can see here, internet download manager. What you're gonna do with that is right click on it, click go to process. So what you wanna do to you is go right click on it again, click end process. Now this is the hard part, so what you're gonna do here is click OK and end process as fast as you can. First click OK, then the second click end process as fast as you can. So I'm gonna demonstrate it, so watch this. So there we go. So it's cracked. So I'm gonna show you the internet download manager that it's been confirmed cracked. As you can see here, confirm crack. See, it's been confirmed crack. The code will be the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and also subscribe to my channel for more. See ya, bitches.